All that exists is existence itself. All that exists are forms of existence in a universe of existence. All forms of existence are forms of information filled with existence. The forms of existence that exist are the forms of the elementary particles in the program that computes their interactions. Particle interactions create relationships among particles, and relationships among particles are the emergent forms of the universe. We are the emergent forms of our particles, and everything in the universe is the emergent form of its particles. All the forms that exist are the information of what they are, filled with existence, and that's all they are. The life of existence is velocity. Everything that exists has a velocity of c, the speed of light in a vacuum. Its c velocity is the vector sum of its velocity in space and velocity in time. This is why velocity in space slows velocity in time. Now all forms of velocity in space are forms of energy, and all forms of energy are forms of spatial velocity. Mass is a form of energy, and masses are fields of hyperfine spatial vibrations whose intrinsic spatial velocity slows velocity in time. So both linear spatial velocity and the intrinsic spatial velocity of gravitational fields slow time. So total velocity everywhere in the universe equals c. So the universe itself is a single field of c-valued velocity, which is the combined spatial velocity of mass energy and velocity in time. This is the very simple secret of relativity in space-time. All that observably exists is the immanence of existence. Immanence is the actual here and now observable presence of existence in all the forms of existence. Experiences are forms of existence, and consciousness is the actual here now observable presence of experience. So consciousness is simply the immanence of experience, and that's all it is. Realization is the realization of the information nature of forms and the immanence of their existence. Realization is the realization of the formless immanence of existence, shining in the forms of existence. Realization is clear, bright, empty consciousness, shining with the immanence of existence. Immanence makes the information of the forms of existence the real observable things they're the information of. All forms are their information only, and all that exists is forms of existence shining with their immanence. I am the information of my forms, and I am the immanence of existence shining me into existence. This is the true nature of self and the true nature of being. All that exists is the shining immanence of existence. Consciousness is the immanence of existence. This is the realization of existence.